Good afternoon everybody and welcome to this first Roots video. I'm very pleased to answer to the first question of the Roots deployment in Handicap International and in MEREP.
What is Roots?
What is Roots? Roots is first an acronym who mean reviewing our organization and technical chain. The purpose is to simplify the way HI is organized in order to make its work more efficient and to better achieve its organizational objectives and operational one, of course. This is a global restructuration of organization led by the headquarters and will affect all the missions worldwide, including the Middle East Regional Program.
What changes does Roots imply?
Roots imply some structural and hierarchical change. The Roots logic is a manager are person who expert in the field and their field of activity, human resource, logistic, operation, and the emphasis is on management. Some consequences. The term coordinator will disappear. It will affect the regional coordinator, who will become regional manager. Then it will also affect the position of the operational coordinator that will become operational manager or area manager, depending the structure of the mission. For MEREP, in practice, Roots imply two main changes. The structural change, the Middle East Regional Office will merge with the Jordan Office. So the position of the Jordan Country Manager will disappear around February 2020. Then a second change, hierarchical change. The regional coordinators will become manager of their counterpart in the affiliated or country mission. For example, the Human Resource Regional Manager will manage the Human Resource Manager in Jordan, in Palestine, in Lebanon, or in Egypt. Also, we will see the creation of a regional MIL unit that will manage the national MIL staff on the different missions. If we can talk about the organigram, each new position is being analyzed. We have some position with name level 1 position. The position remains very similar to the one currently existing. There will be, therefore, no need to reopen this position for competitive recruitment. Then we have level 2 position. The job description of their position will significantly evolve. This position may there be open to competitive recruitment according to transparent criteria.
When will Roots be implemented?
The MERO, or the MEREP, is already very close to Roots target. We are a regional program with affiliated country, with relation and processes who are already standardized. The objective is therefore to adjust rather than to completely review or transform our way and organizational structure. So Roots will be gradually implemented following a step-by-step process. We have first a preparatory or preparedness phase from March to November 2019. It will involve checks, decision, administrative and managerial preparation to implement the new setup. In the same time, we will have a facilitation of this transition because all new decisions taken in 2019, new human resource position, financial allocation, will be done in will be done with the objective to facilitate the transition. Example, for new position, recruitment have already been anticipated to adapt the job description and job profile to the roots logic on a case-by-case basis. Then the real implementation of the transition will start in November 2019 up to May 2020. They will have the implementation of a new setup and a new managerial relation between regional and affiliated level, including for the regional office and the Jordan merge. The transition of Egypt will happen around November 2019. The transition Jordan around February 2020. The transition in Palestine March 2020, and Lebanon will also transit in May 2020.
How will Roots be implemented?
First and foremost, Roots will be deployed in accordance with the national employment law in each MERIP country of operation. We will fully respect the legal framework of the different countries. Action plans are currently being developed with the country manager, and information will be in a regular way communicated to all HI staff at key stage of the development of this process.
How will HI staff be informed about major Roots developments?
The MERO will regularly communicate to regional staff about Roots development. Several means will be used: leaflet, newsletter, Skype conference call, physical meeting, emails or video. Communication will be done in English, but also in Arabic on key occasions. Thank you.